In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see or find removed content from your Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you're not following community guidelines, sometimes Threads flags content that violates community guidelines, and you can check if your account is affected. Now to do this, first you need to open your Threads app, log into your account, and once you're logged into your account, head down here to your profile icon, and then above this you should see these two lines. Tap on them and go to account status. Under account status, we have the first option, removed content and messaging issues. If you tap on this here, you will see if your account is affected. You will be notified here. For my case, I'm told your account is not affected right now, and you're told what this means. It means that you are not at risk of losing access to your account right now. However, you have to note that any content that violates may be taken down even without account warning. So I don't have any issue with community standards of Threads. So that's how you can find out if your account has been affected. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.